Hey guys, this is Electronic Renovation. Today I'm going to be showing you how to repair a Samsung Galaxy S9 loudspeaker issue. Starting off, I'm going to show you what's wrong with the loudspeaker.
And then used a police officer and his partner, Officer Zelensky. Mr. Dent was stopped for a minor traffic offense.
And I think you heard the sound, it's pretty static. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to hit up the back plate, and then I'm going to start the removal process of the back glass. Once you get enough heat on the back glass, use a metal tool or plastic tool to slowly go through the edges and remove the extra adhesive to allow you to open the phone up. This requires some patience and a little bit of technique. And I got the back glass lifted off. I'm going to try to remove the home button. Just go ahead and disconnect the home button from the motherboard. It should be a simple click. Place your back glass to the side once you got the home button removed completely from the back glass. Okay, now I'm going to remove the 5 screws that are on the speaker coil, and then I'm going to remove the 2 screws that are on the wireless charging coil. Once I got that done, I can just simply lift off the speaker coil and then place the wireless coil away from where I'm going to be fixing the speaker coil. I have a new wireless speaker coil right here. I'm just going to go ahead and place the wireless coil down and put the new speaker coil back in the phone. And now I'm going to try to see if this works.
On January 28, 2015, you did not fulfill your job. You performed just thus.
As you can see there, the speaker worked. The rest is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is put back the screws, put the home button back on, which I'm going to show throughout the rest of the video, and then put the back glass back on, and then you're all set. Just press the phone and you're finished, ready to go.